Magandang araw mga ka-info natin. Ngayong araw na ito ay mayroon na naman tayong tatalakayin. Ang Pilipinas ay binubuo ng 7,641 isla na nahahati sa 3 pangunahing isla, ang Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ang ehekutibong sangay ng pamahalaan ay binubuo ng Pangulo, Pangalawang Pangulo, ang Gabinete at lokal na pamahalaan. Katatapos lang ng eleksyon, nahalal si Bongbong Marcos bilang Pangulo at Pangalawang Pangulo na si Sara Duterte Carpio. Ngayong araw ay kilalanin natin ang mga bagong opisyal sa Administrasyong Bongbong Marcos Jr. Executive Secretary Attorney Victor Rodriguez. Department of Education Vice President Sara Duterte. Department of the Interior and Local Government o DILG Benjamin Abalos Jr. Department of Justice Representative Jesus Crispin Remulla. National Economic and Development Authority Chair Arsenio Balisacan. Department of Labor and Employment Odole Bienvenido Laguesma. Department of Migrant Workers Susan Ople. Department of Finance Benjamin Jokno. Department of Trade and Industry o DTI Alfredo Pascual. Special Assistant to the President Antonio Lagdamio Jr. Department of Public Works and Highways o DPWH Manny Bunuan. Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas Governor Felipe Medalla. President Communication Operations Office Attorney Trixie Cruz Angeles. Presidential Management Staff Maria Sinaida Angping. Department of Tourism Cristina Frasco. Department of Budget and Management Amina Pangandaman. Department of Information and Communication Technology Ivan John Enrile Oy. Department of Social Welfare and Development o DSWD Erwin Tolfo. Maraming salamat mga ka-infonatic at tandaan, huwag umasa sa ayuda ng gobyerno. Magsikap upang umasenso. Please click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates.